Okay, a lot of students want to know if they have opted for computer science, it is really worth it or not. Okay, so let's try to understand first of all where this question is coming from. This question is probably coming from someone who is not happy with what they are studying right now, and now they're feeling that, okay, I may have opted for something wrong because my friends are making a lot of money. So obviously this is sort of a career advice. I would say it is limited for people who are from computer science. Basically what you have to understand, like, are you actually passionate about this sort of a sector, or I should say industry? Because a lot of time what happens, especially in India, a lot of people are forced that since this actually sector, or I should say industry, has a lot of potential, a lot of career growth, you should be doing that. So you have to understand that this is not the right way of opting for a career. Now obviously a lot of people would be sitting here and they would be wondering, Avinash, I have already opted for computer science, now I cannot go back, what is the deal now? Well, obviously in that case what I would suggest, you should start exploring the various different opportunities for you. Okay, you have to first of all understand, are you a person who can sit in front of a computer 8 hours a day and can code or maybe write something related to that, or maybe sometimes 12 hours a day? Or you are a kind of a person who can actually talk to people and actually explain them things and maybe convince them to, like, okay, this is the software we have built and you should be using that. Looking for discount for live training? Well, that are available in the description of the video. Check the link and from there you can fetch some new discount codes. If you are able to decide out of these two, then you can actually make a good career in your computer science journey for a very specific reason. You will be focusing on your expertise. So first of all, focus on where you are. If you are sort of an introvert kind of a person, you don't like to interact with people, that is also fine, no issues. If you're an extrovert kind of a person like me, you can also offer that kind of a career option. So you have to really find out that where do you want to go, and now after you are done with it, if you're a kind of an introvert kind of a person and you want to actually don't want to interact with a lot of people, well, there are so many career options which are available. You can go as a software developer, web developer, you can become a tester. There are so many different things which are available. If you're kind of a people kind of a person, you should first of all think about getting into a consulting kind of a work. Now with consulting, I'm not meaning a different kind of a consulting. Consulting means technical consulting. Why you should be using this technology? If a business is struggling somewhere, this is the reason they should be using this kind of a technology. You can become a software consultant. Okay, your business is facing this kind of a challenge. There is a software which can actually solve your issue. Apart from that, you can become sort of an evangelist kind of a thing. If you like the technology, you can actually enable people to understand about that kind of a technology. So in short, I would say computer science career is really worth it, but you have to understand, if you're not passionate about this kind of a stuff, then you should not be opting for it. And if you have opted for it, look for the other alternatives. But yes, if you don't have any other option, you have to decide where you want to go. So I hope all your doubts are now clear with this video. But I understand you must be having some questions. In that case, comment section is the right section for you. But if you need some guidance related to your career, which could not be answered in this video, obviously click on the link which is given in the description of this video, and someone from our team will make sure that your career doubt is clear.